Murikito Josephat Misa soroboti rwa senchira yoboikirano bonogo tigana nayo bonoto murekere county ya Nyamira ali yagendetse gukorekana umwarimu umwe w'eskuru y'abamura ya Nyamira gose Nyamira Boys oyubono okwanire igoro yamatemo amane na KCSC nigago kirenchira orogongo rwa Gusii rwa rokirani yamatemo yo eskuru ya Nyamira niganyoletse minsko ya 7.8 mega yogokinia kurese 7.2 asago kire tambukerekyo Murikito kurase county ya Nyamira Job Maangi na roboti rwa senchira yoboime
Maega yamatemu korarigwa n'ekisukuru kire imyorogongo rwa Gusii gukora buyaniga babwatani ao bagendretse korwa ebirengerere byabo
amachibu ali aroro ko Gusii ali n'amachibu yekene abali mbaito lero ngokora barumukia abayuli baito lero ngobwate sibali kisukuru gonga asaba Gusii togendere kabire yo kisukuru kitu kigendere ko bayigoro
Omworokia omonene ase skuru ya Nyamira Boys oyuboigo oromurai wekyombe kyaboro kigwaba nene kesha ase county enke ya Nyamira South George Onkundi nachengera agokora buya bw'ekisukuru kire imeyorogongo rwa Gusii ase amatemwa a KCSE ase Nyamira Boys ereyemo yabo
amatemwa y'umwaka 2022 ntwanyalete ko batoko improve abo kurwemini ya 7.2 tukasuka uti 7.8 umwaka wetete 2021 hetu abwata abana 144 bachite university umwaka yo twakolete bona babete 223 abuna abana abange sana babete bakoyeta kuchite university igobono ase orogongo rwitoro Gusii eskuru yenja bete ekoba ase ekobwati cyekinde asogo kolibia na korereki abana baitomba chite igoro
Ingana yabagego segetu n'umunyakerogo ase kamati ekisemi County Education Board Charles Nyandusi oyo bagagoteba nigo kisukuru kire ime ya Gusii kyabere kigo kina ase min ase chintunda kyetire kyamatemwa.
And we are very happy and proud in Nyamira that our schools overall did very well. I want to say that this is not something unique to this year. You may remember that last year Nyamira produced the best county school, Nyakeore, in the country. In 2016, Nyamira produced the most improved assistant.
Nagi keliengana yaberege gonchokanana una machibu ayutabwate oboene nagoteba niko chiskuru chireme ya Gusii chiakoreta matemu asobwasioku.
This country has systems and structures and they are working. The Kenya National Examinations Council has a quality assurance mechanism which is working. Anybody who has questions as to whether schools anywhere, including in Nyamira and Kisii, performed genuinely or not genuinely, is actually questioning the quality assurance mandate of the Kenya National Examinations Council. What I want to say is, as far as we know, the results that our schools have posted have not been questioned by the Kenya National Examinations Council.
Nsemo yaye umunyakerogo ase kamati ya Board of Management ase skuru ya Nyambaria Lazarus Mumanyi naegerera amachibu banyorete nagoteba nayo bwene.
Nyambaria is a national school in this county. In fact, it's a national school in the county, in Nyamira County. And it has been doing well. If anybody cared to check, as I've given you the history, Nyambaria has risen from 8.7, 9.3 and now 10. So when somebody says it's a little known, one wonders what he actually means.
Ngana yoko igoro bw'ekisukuru abayibolimba asegeto kosira abana babo asoko bakanera kibesa nagoikerania okogania kwabo
aba Gusii baito twaligire to kwana botambe nga tigatubwate sikisukuru akari kisukuru chikoigorwa igobone fees yatakeire nkairete mpuye aliganeti muno muibuli onye tubuye aliganeti totiwo mwana beresiko tangane sukuru kurero gorugwe kamambi karwebire robia o ngatoigo cha kochinyara buya umwalimu akoiwe mwana bere sukuru ne ranyo le grade yake bina